Hey there, what's up? Just checking my audio. Give me a second. Starting up soon. First, let me check the audio here. Hello. Am I audible?
Hello. Am I audible?
Okay. Looks cool. Okay. Okay. So basically, I wanted to build an extension, Firefox extension for me. There are a couple of extensions, but I got here add-ons. Basically, I was looking of some kind of note-taking app, but this looks very good. It has night and dark mode. It has fonts, basically font sizes, nothing much, and it has a very good paragraph, header, list, and code. Especially I like the code part, list, unordered list, and quotes. So these things are good. Can attach image or URL, anything, but only problem is it's having this overlay everywhere wherever I type. So basically, if I want to type it here, I cannot see the top part. So if I skip and then try to edit again, it comes up. So that's the most irritating part here. So yeah, so I want to build a similar extension, but very simple. I search for add-ons, Firefox add-ons, but I didn't find any good one. As of now, so I'll just say note taker, sidebar. I don't want sidebar note. I tried all this. Don't want this. I just want a local storage. Multi-tab notes for Firefox. UNote, web note. I'm not going to publish or do anything, but even this, I didn't like it as much. There were less options, but it's good. There is no overlay here. And this one I have not seen. I'm seeing it for the first time, and I hate this part. So note 1, note 2, too many options. I'm a kind of minimalistic guy, so just if you want to get rid of something, you have to get rid. Clip to note is not what I need. To-do list. I think this is a logo from Todoist. I'm sure. Yes, flicked it from Todoist, and he wants to mimic this. Let me check Todoist. That was the icon earlier. I'm not sure they have changed it now. Todoist. Todoist. Yeah. This was the Todoist icon. I think he has copied it. It's exactly the same. Just added some background color for that. Okay, people have different philosophies, so can't do much about it. If Todoist sees this, they might ask Firefox to take it down. Otherwise, it's fine. Who are we to? Who are we to question? So yeah, I basically wanted to do a new tab, so I just built one small. This one, nothing much in this. There are two icons. This is also icon I copied. I'm not going to publish this. I took from somewhere. Okay, and I cut it. So this manifest.json, and I'm just providing some values to it, content scripts. So I wanted it for new tab, it doesn't work, so I just say star dot mozilla dot org/start. So anything with any URL which has mozilla.org will execute this JavaScript. So that's what I learned last time or yesterday. So for that, apply this extension on things which match mozilla.org. This can be HTTP, HTTPS. It can have a subdomain in it, and it should be of mozilla.org and later anything. So for those pages, document body style border red if I want it green. That's it. So what I do is I'll just go here and say about debugging. This is what I learned yesterday. Yes, enable this and load temporary on. So this is Mozilla extension what I had created, and I just load it. And now if I go, this has mozilla.org, so you should see a green background here. So is it not coming? Okay, let's get a new window. I'll say mozilla.org. Yeah, you can see the green background here. So you can see the green background in here. Okay, let me check on this again. I think it's happening only in the new tab. Okay, let's check the same site on a new tab. Oh, it doesn't come on this. Let me check with this. Should it come? Should it not come? What about Bugzilla? Yes, it comes for Bugzilla, but not on Mozilla. Okay, great. So now you know basically. So this does is manifest.json matches. This is what I learned. Let's get a little deeper into this. So manifest can also contain pointers to several other type of files. Background scripts implement long-running logic, icons that we have added, sidebars, pop-ups, and option pages, and content scripts. Okay, content scripts is what we have added now. So scripts included with your extension that you will inject into web pages. So this is what we have done. Browser actions. Okay, what are background scripts? So okay, so this is basically doing the same thing. It will fetch the background page, and in the page we have given background script instead of doing it in one line. So yeah, you can add anything additional, whatever you want. So background script environment, web extension APIs, cross origin access. So we don't want these many things right now. Okay, I need something on tabs, so I was just going through the tabs. I found that there is a library or SDK which needs to be added. So demonstrate tab manipulation, opening, closing, moving. Okay, this is the one I feel. This extension includes a browser action with pop-up specified in tabs.html. What are these, by the way? Want to contribute to the repository, send us a pull request. Example extensions. Okay, so this is the one I was trying. Borderify, this is the one I was trying yesterday. Packaging and publishing, so this is done. It's learning about content scripts. What should I do here to start? Okay, let me check if okay, I need to reload the, always remember to reload the extension or remove and add the extension. There was an error, extension is invalid. Okay, did I save it? Yes. So here I go. About debugging, enable temporary extensions not available. So what happened? npm, I need to install npm for this. Let's install. Cding into the directory and run. This starts the Firefox and loads the extension temporarily. I have a developer edition of Firefox. No, so let me download Firefox developer edition. I had already signed up. Hope this downloads. Okay. Sorry, I have not opened my chat in here, so I'll just open it, pop out, and now we are good to go. So Firefox developer edition. Download was faster than unzipping this, extracting the DMG. Okay. Did I download? I wanted the develop. Okay. Is that the developer edition? Mozilla.org. That wasn't the developer edition. Somewhere here. Developer hub. Yes, this is the one, I think. Developer tools and resources. Yes, this is the one. I downloaded the wrong one. Did it download? Okay. So for those of you who don't know me, I am a Mac and iOS developer with very considerable experience. on Mac, Objective-C, Swift, programming languages. I'm at intermediate level on JavaScript. I have been doing JavaScript for quite some time now, so I'm just learning web development. That's where you see here for me to go full stack. I'm finishing the Android Udemy course, then interested in Java Spring Framework, React Native application for mobile, planning to build a site on WordPress. Let's see how it goes. These are my target for 2018 December. Let's see how much I achieve. Okay, so let's keep this in the dock. It is very much needed now that I am developer tools. Okay, Firefox, thank you. Firefox dev tools. What we need is Firefox about debugging. Okay, let's try loading. Miscellaneous Mozilla extension. So I think there is some mistake. Is this going in a loop? Forget it. Get lost. So where are we? Let me check what is the issue here. So we have this. Let's revert it back to mozilla.org, and this was working. So try to load this. Now it is loading. That means we had a problem in manifest. We can't give everything star. Let's check star dot. Okay, now I would say, let's say Twitter. No, it's not giving me. Let's say google.com/star. Should give me let's reload. Let's just remove this, and once again. So this loads, it's proper. Yes, we are getting this on all Google sites. So what about star? Move this. Load once again. Here is the problem. So we cannot no. Okay, we have to give some expressions here. Star m star 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 no. Yep. Okay, so it has to be given in that format. So okay, content scripts. What was the matches? Content scripts. I don't want this. Example extensions, matching patterns. Part of extension that runs. Okay. Wherever browser loads a page whose URL matches a given pattern. So one scheme, host, and path. Only HTTP, HTTPS. The host star any host. Okay. Followed by part of hostname. Okay, I can use star. Okay. But why doesn't it work? Wildcard may appear only here at the start. So what if I do this? And say reload or remove. Okay, this works. I say Twitter, so I get this. If I go to Mozilla.org, I get this. If I go to DuckDuckGo, then I get this. Okay. I'm getting for all. So yeah, this is one step ahead now. Let's go through the concepts. This is very good. The special value all URLs matches all URLs under supported file. Where should we give this? Okay, let's remove this and add this. It's working. Google.com. Got it. Have it. DuckDuckGo. And we have it. I don't like Google search since they track everything, or people say so. So I would not like this. I don't like Google search. From the last 1 year 2 months, that is about 13-14 months, I have been using DuckDuckGo. I don't have any problem. It serves my purpose very well, and as a developer I mostly search for programming solutions, sometimes to search a tutorial, but DuckDuckGo serves my purpose. So I don't want, if I want something very specific to my location, then I would go for Google, because DuckDuckGo is not yet done, and that would be the last option, going to Google to search for something specific. I do exhaustive search on DuckDuckGo, and if I don't find, I end up in Google search, and in that case there is very minute chances of finding it in Google. DuckDuckGo is almost equal to Google for my usage. Okay, so this is the one. All URLs works. Okay, so I wasted so much time not reading through the documentation. Okay, doesn't work. Chrome. This is Firefox, and Firefox for Android. Yeah, this was good. Match patterns. It's the same. It's the same thing. So working with tabs API. So this is what I wanted. So let's complete this. So we came from here, matching a pattern at run time into the pages that matches pattern URL. into specific tabs. Tabs.xxtree. Okay. I'm getting a call. Hold on a second. Yeah. Okay. Runtime. And this is becoming a chill stream. So over comes or joins. They can go. They will get to know this is a chill stream, nothing serious in here. I am late to the party, but yeah, I'm developing something. There's only one global scope per frame per extension. It's using method 1 and 2. Okay, it has. So basically this is a sample page which I am loading, and it has a page script which does this. Window.confirm function. Then if I load the script, can access and modify the DOM. So page script para. Okay. Calls the original window, sees the original form, redefined properties. Calls the original window.confirm. The same is true in reverse. Page scripts can't see JavaScript properties added by content scripts. Okay, that means I can change the style and all, but I cannot use this property. Original window.frame. Okay, got it. DOM properties behaving predictably but does not have to worry about variables it defines clashing. It's in the page script. So the scope in here is different from the scope in here. Okay. Okay, so if my content script depends on Java's jQuery, I have to insert those first and then I can use the contents in that. Enable contents to just return. For more details, in addition to terms, get URL. True for contents running inside, for extension pages running inside the incognito browser, the latter. Okay. These are all little advanced. We don't want communicating with background scripts. Browser runtimes and message. Tabs and message. Notify extension. Notify extension. Send message. Okay. So basically, let's try this. Looks interesting to me. So we need a background script. We have content script here. In content script, let's add this. Okay. And in background scripts, JS. So we need a new file. Background script.js. Let's copy this in here. Okay. And in manifest file we need to give background scripts. So where do we give that? We had it here. Okay. I don't know why Atom doesn't indent. Okay, this is background scripts, this is content script, and let's try to reload. Okay, it's reloaded. So we need to click a link, mozilla.org. Where does that come? I didn't see any updates. You click a link, Browser notification create basic get URL link dot. You click the link, message URL. Should I enable notifications? How do I enable notifications? Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. There's no blocking, but why is it not? Okay, did I reload? Mozilla, click on the link. I am not getting any notification. Okay. Incoming connection. Okay. Just want to know whether this is. It did hit. Where is my content script? Content script is not to be seen. Okay. Last error value. Could not establish connection, receiving and does not exist. So basically it's telling me when you attempt to communicate to a tab where the content script is not listening for messages. This includes cannot inject content scripts into about stars. Okay. For your issue, you are getting this error because no content script is injected in the tab. By the time you are trying to send a message in the main frame, on error occurred event. Specifically, you have used all URLs match content scripts. Does not match about dot star. Okay, that's what you can specify multiple background scripts. If you do, they run in. Okay, so we might need to change the background a bit here. In JSON, I need to switch, and I need a new file. Background.html. So background.html, and background.html has this. Yet I am not getting no, we aren't getting any. So this is see. It's the same code which Mozilla has provided, but it's not working. Browser runtime send message. Okay. As of now, we did one small extension. Let me check. I have a call from my day job, a stand-up call. I will finish that and have my dinner, and then I will get back on this. Hopefully I'll stream. Not sure. Let's see if I can get this. It will take another hour or so to finish my calls. This is interesting. Okay. Yeah, this works fine. So I need to find the difference what I am doing and what they are doing. So manifest.json, okay, they are giving it as a script, nothing much. Even they have got all URLs and content script, nothing changes here. Okay, we don't have permissions, so we need to give permissions. Okay, this is a good find. We have all the unwanted things, but we don't have the most necessary one. We have the permissions. Now load miscellaneous Mozilla extension and reload Mozilla, and we got it. So this is our extension. Got it. So this is cool. This is the only change needed. So we need permissions. So permissions is very important. And to talk between background scripts and the content scripts, this is the content script notify extension. It's the call whenever a click happens on the window. It calls this function target. This is just a tag name A. Okay, if it's not href, ahref, else send this message URL target href. Okay, got it. It happened on this particular event. This is the target and it's href for. So basically the a tag will have href equal to https developer.mozilla.org /abc/xyz. So if this is the path, so here we are saying the target tag name, this is the tag A. If it is not A, then just return it. If it is A, then fetch the event's target. So this is the target. So here you will have Mozilla developer and a closing bracket. Okay. Is this a valid link? Okay, this is the valid link. Let us try to put this HTML. Can we add it in the body? Okay, we don't get that. So yeah, so basically this is the href link. So if you go here and did an inspect element, so you have href Firefox. So whenever you right click, you get that. Okay, so that's it. That was a good find. So what are the important things? This is not needed. This is for to show you in the add-ons manage page. So this is not needed. Only thing needed is this one. Description is optional. Icons, if it is there. Permissions is most important. Background scripts, content scripts. Here you can give script or a page. We have added it to the page and directly to the script, and this is the script. So when any click happens, it will check for the a tag and it takes its href and sends it to browser runtime send message. So the background script catches add listener. So whatever here this notifies, send message is caught by add listener. On message, the calls the notify function, takes the message and it creates a notification with type basic. You need to explore what other types are there, and browser extension whatever URL link.png. This is the icon, I suppose, icon URL, and you click the link and the message.url. So message.url was passed here. This is a message and its URL is this one. So yeah, cool. Okay, so we got to know the basics now. Now let's catch up around in another hour or so. Okay, till then, enjoy your day or evening. Okay, let's clear out the extensions here. Don't have any other extensions. Okay, cool.